Hello my crochet friends, today we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful stitch combination. Really, it's called the Primrose stitch. It's a 2-row repeat, very simple, but look what a beautiful texture it gives to the fabric. I think this is a great stitch for, if you're working a shawl, if you're working a top, if you're using it with the cotton yarn, you can make all kind of summer things with it because it has a lot of holes, but it has this kind of rose style shape that gives this stitch such a great feeling for the fabric. So today I am using a much lighter yarn. It's the same Alize Burkum Classic, which is around between 3 and 4 weight yarn. And I'm using my 5mm hook because I want it to be a little bit looser. For this stitch, we will need a multiple of 3 plus 2. So whatever you're working, whatever project you're working, you have to count 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then you have the width or the length, and then you add another 2. We start, of course, with a slip knot, and then I will chain 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then another 2, 1, 2. So we will start with a single crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So this is the first one, this is the second one. In the 3rd chain, we'll start with a single crochet. Single crochet, and then chain 2, okay, and another single crochet in the same chain. So we will have single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the same chain. Okay, so we have here the chain 2 starting, which doesn't count as it counts as a maybe half double from the next row, and then we have single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain. Now we're going to skip 2, and in the 3rd again we are going to work 1 single crochet, chain 2, and another single crochet in the same place. Okay, again skip 2, in the 3rd 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet in the same spot, in the same place, in the same chain. Again skip 2, in the 3rd 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the same place, and you are going to work this all the way across the length that you are working your project, and then you are going to finish. You are going to have 2 last chains. All right, so we are going to make 1 half double in the last chain, 1 half double, and this is the first row. Now we are going to chain 3, which is going to count as the first double crochet. If you know me, so you know that usually I don't like to chain 3. I like to chain 1 and make 1 double crochet at the beginning, but we are going to work it now with the chain 3, and we'll see how it works. If I see that the edges are not straight, if you can see here, I look here, you see the edges? When you use the 3 chains, then the edges are not straight and they have this hole here, this kind of wonky here, kind of, I don't know. I don't like it so much, but it can be okay. So, excuse me, we chain 3, counts as our first double crochet, right? Then we have this chain 2 space here between the 2 single crochet from the previous row. So we are going to skip everything and go skip the first the first stitch and then the single crochet, and we are going to place 3 double crochet in this chain 2 space. 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 3 double crochet inside the chain 2 space between the single crochet from the previous row. And again, skip everything and go straight to the chain 2 space, and we are going to place again 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And you are going to continue doing it all the way across to the end of your row, and I'll show you how to finish this row. 3 double crochet inside the chain 2 space from the previous row. Now we are at the end. We have another one here. If you remember, we have the chain 2 from the beginning and the single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. So we make our 3 double crochet here in the chain 2 space. Oops. Like so. And then we finish here in the chain 2 from the beginning. We make another 1 double crochet. I want to go inside here. 1 double crochet. So if we look at it now, we'll see that we have 1 double crochet here at the beginning, 1 double crochet here at the end, and 3 double crochet inside the chain 2 space from the previous row. We chain 1 and turn our work. And this is the row 2 repeat. So this is the first row, but this is just kind of the foundation row. So we'll do another one. It's the same. We chain 1, turn our work, and we work 1 double crochet, half double crochet, sorry, in the first stitch. Here, 1 half double crochet. And then we have the 3 double crochet kind of cluster here. So we are going to skip this first double crochet and work in the middle double crochet here. We're going to work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the same space. And again, skip everything and go to the middle double crochet from the cluster. 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the same space. Again, skip 1, 2, and in the third, which is the middle one from the next cluster, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, and all the way across, and I'll show you how to finish. Chain 2, 1 single crochet. Now we get to the end of the row, and we have this chain 3 that we did at the beginning. So we are going to work a half double in the chain 3, in the first chain from the chain 3 on the top of the chain 3. And this is it. This is our Primrose stitch, we are going to continue with row 2. So we chain 3, turn our work, and work 3 double crochet in the chain 2 space, like we did in row 2. So we have row 2 and row 3. These are the repeat rows for this stitch. Very simple, very beautiful, with a lot of texture in it. You can use it, you can use it with other stitches, incorporate other stitches if you're making a scarf, so you can use these like maybe part of the scarf and another part with a different stitch, more solid stitch, because this is a very busy stitch, and you will have a beautiful, beautiful item. So we finished this row, 3 half double crochet here in the last chain 2 space, and 1 last double crochet on top of the here on top of the one double crochet on top of the half double from the beginning of the row, and that's it. This is it. Look how beautiful. This is the front part, and this is the back part of the stitch. If you see it here, you can see. Amazing. Really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you make beautiful, beautiful items with it. Of course, I want to see what you make in the group, so please share. Even if you just do a swatch and you try these stitches, take a photo and share in the group, so I know that you are working on the stitches. And if you have any questions, so you can ask in the group. All right, I will see you in the next tutorial, stitch tutorial. Bye bye.